Presenting the 2010 Buick LaCrosse CXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include heated and ventilated front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed seat trim, XM radio, four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, tachometer, voltmeter and ABS brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.